Hey everyone. Okay, so I got my Sew Sampler in right now. I'm looking forward to seeing what's in it because I have been having a blast with their monthly, the quail. Is that how you say it? I just said it without thinking. So your cotomon, yes, quail. Okay, so let me pull out our little cheat sheet here and let's see what we got this month. So we got Wonder Clips. They're pink and they're pretty. Very, very pretty. Let's see, 10-piece pink Wonder Clips valued at $6.98. Yes. And, oh, we got some Aurifil. This is 50 weight Sea Biscuit. This is $13.98 for this one. And we got a friction pin. The friction is $1.98. It's a black fine liner. And let's see. Oh, okay. And we got Fat Quarters Fabric Wonders by Art Gallery Fabrics. Art Gallery Romantica. So, not my favorite month. This seems a little bit on the chintzy side. But they all can't be, you know, fabulous, right? So it's okay. $29.48 is this value. It is, yeah, let's see. So we get this color. It's pretty. But, you know, honestly, they're not going to make everybody happy every month. So they're not. So it's fine. I mean, yeah. I mean, I love the Wonder Clips. I use the friction. I don't really use Aurifil, so I'll have to try that. I use Glide. So this is Serenade. That's the quilt you can make with this one. This is valued at $9.98. And the coupon this month is 15% off Aurifil. So it's not really even a great sale this month either. So, fail. But that's okay. This is what I really wanted. I wanted this. Because the quail is what I'm doing. Oh, look how pretty this one is. Oh, I love it. Okay, let me show you mine. Okay, because I like showing you mine every month. And let's see. So we'll go from the beginning. I'll show them to you every month. So this was number 1. That was block 1, and then this is my block, and this is block 2. It's probably gonna get loud here in a second because I just see my son walking outside. 2. This is and then this was 3. So this is last month's. Now mine is not perfect, but I had fun, so it's okay. Not everything is perfect in life, so. This is, yeah, this is number 3. So I'm looking forward to doing number 4. So, alright guys, take care. What do you think? Was this a good box? Not a good box? What do you think? What did you love? Alright guys, take care. Bye.